F and Sharp presents fondant potatoes. This is a French technique and where you sear off the flat sides of cylinder-shaped potatoes and then roast in the oven, submerged in chicken stock, typically with some fresh herbs and seasonings of your choice. You get a nice fluffy interior and that nice crispy golden brown delicious exterior. We're just going to lob off each end of a russet potato, and here I'm using a biscuit cutter to give myself a starting platform in which to work from. I'm holding my F&Sharp utility knife at about a 45-degree angle and working around the edges, removing the remaining pieces of skin, and then also just giving it a nice shape. I'm going to move this one towards the side here. What I'm doing is just giving myself a start on each one of these. You're looking for each potato to be relatively the same size and shape, about 2 inches tall, cylinder-like in shape. I moved that one off to the side as I'm likely to come back to it. I just wanted to get the base started with the trimming. 45-degree angle again towards the top and bottoms where you're meeting that flat side. On the sides of those 2-inch cylinders, you're just looking to give it a slight roundness, just kind of even it out a bit. Now I'm taking a second russet potato and just showing you here I'm not using the biscuit cutter, and I'm just going to freehand cut with the F&Sharp utility knife my cylinder shapes. And then again, just working around slowly. This video is sped up just a little bit here, but you just want to slowly work your knife around and get them as uniform as possible. You may want to grab 3 or 4 russet potatoes to work on this. If you mess up a few of your cylinders, that's okay. You have some additional ones to play around with. The ones that didn't come out oh so perfect, you can just use in another preparation, maybe save for your breakfast and do some diced skillet potatoes. But just go ahead and play around with them. There's no right or wrong. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see from the previous video, I just smashed 3 garlic cloves. I have some neutral oil in the pan. I'm using cast iron, but any heavy bottom pan would work. You want to place all your potatoes in there flat side down as you're looking to create a nice golden crust on there. You want to make sure that your potatoes are spaced apart a little bit, otherwise they're going to steam next to each other. Gives them time to develop that brown crust by not moving them around. You just want to let them go about 5 to 7 minutes. So you can see that first one I pulled had that nice perfect golden brown exterior. Once they're all brown, you're going to go in with 2 cups of chicken stock, your smashed garlic cloves, any fresh herbs of your choosing, into a 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes until pierced nicely with a fork. Don't forget your 2 tablespoons of butter. After 45 minutes, you can pull them out, let them rest, and you have beautiful golden brown, very rich fondant potatoes.